So good morning, everyone. We are going to start our chapter. Actually, we are going to continue the chapter Gopal and the Hilsa fish. The chapter we started yesterday is Gopal and the Hilsa fish. Let us recapitulate the story once before continuing the chapter. This is a story of a person, Gopal, who is known for his wisdom in the kingdom. And there was a situation where it was season of hilsa fish and everyone talks about hilsa fish. I mean, whether it be fishmonger or householders, even the courtiers, they also talk about hilsa fish only. And the king gets irritated listening so much about hilsa fish, and he scolds his courtiers, whether they are courtiers or the fishmongers. But then he repents for his behavior. He feels sorry to his courtier, and someone says that even Gopal can't stop people talking about hilsa fish. Gopal was present at that time, and he says that he would definitely be able to stop people from talking about hilsa fish. And at that time, the king throws a challenge that Gopal had to buy a huge hilsa and bring it to the palace without anyone asking him a word about that. Means he should bring the hilsa fish from the market to the palace, and there should not be even a single person who would talk about hilsa fish held in hand of Gopal. Gopal accepts the challenge. He is confident that he could do this. Then after a few days, he gets ready to go to the market. But he has changed his appearance. He has half shaven his face. He has worn disgraceful clothes. He has worn rags. And he has smeared ashes on his face. His wife is little concerned that why is Gopal behaving like that. And whenever she asks him where was he going dressed up like this, Gopal says that he's going to buy a hilsa fish. The wife doesn't understand anything and she doesn't want that Gopal should go out like that. But Gopal goes there, goes to the market to buy hilsa fish. And in this scene, we were reading from this, we'll start reading our chapter that Gopal bought the hilsa fish and started walking towards the palace. Now, this is a scene of a market where there is a hilsa fish in Gopal's hand, and people they are looking differently at Gopal. Some a child says to his mother, "Look at that man! Isn't he comical? Comical means funny. Doesn't he look funny?" When he observes Gopal in the market. Then there is another man who says he must be a madman. Someone thinks him to be mad. Then what another person thinks that no, he's not madman. I think he's mystic, he's mysterious, he's a holy man. When Gopal reached the court, what do you want? I want to see the king. The soldiers, the guards at the gate, they don't recognize Gopal and they ask him, what does he want? And to them, Gopal replies that I want to see. To see means to meet. I want to meet the king. You can't see the king. Get away with you. Now, as the courtiers, they don't recognize Gopal, so they don't allow him to enter in the palace and they want him to leave that place at once. Gopal began to dance and sing loudly. Then Gopal realizes that the soldiers, the guards, have not recognized him and they would not allow him to enter the palace, enter into the palace. Gopal gets an idea. He starts to dance and to sing loudly. He was singing so loudly that it was clearly audible inside the palace. Now, what is the reaction of people inside the palace when they hear Gopal singing? The man is crazy. Someone in the palace says that the man who is singing loudly, he's crazy. Throw him out at once. And another person says that, okay, throw him out of the palace. Don't allow that person to enter into the palace. Now, I want to see the king. Let me in. These are the words said by Gopal. He wants to meet the king. So he asks for permission from the soldiers. Now, after all this, what the king feels that bring that man to me at once. Yes, your majesty. He hears everything and he wants to meet that person. So he orders his men to bring that person. Now, Gopal was brought before the king. Now, this is a scene of a court where Gopal was brought in front of the king. And someone, one of the courtiers, he recognizes and says, it's Gopal. Ki ye to Gopal hai. Again, the people, they whisper different things. They say the man has lost his mind. Someone says that ये पागल हो चुका है, इसने अपना मानसिक संतुलन खो दिया है. I think it's one of his crazy jokes. दूसरा कहता है नहीं, मुझे लगता है कि ये उसके कोई बहुत crazy jokes में से, मजाक में से एक मजाक है. All right, Gopal. Now the king says, all right, Gopal, out with it. Why are you dressed up in this ridiculous fashion? Ab king usko पूछता है, okay Gopal, out with it means now you reveal the secret. Why are you dressed like it, like this? So why have you dressed in such a ridiculous, means in such a strange way? Why are you strangely dressed? Your Majesty, you seem to have forgotten something. Then Gopal says, Your Majesty, अब मुझे लगता है कि आप कुछ भूल रहे हैं. Forgotten something? कुछ भूल रहा हूँ. Strangely enough, no one seems to be interested in Hilsa fish today. From the market to the palace and in the court, not a soul has spoken a word about Hilsa fish. तो गोपाल अब किंग को रिमाइंड करवाता है. Strangely enough, बहुत अजीब बात है. No one seems to be interested in the Hilsa fish today. आज कोई भी Hilsa fish में interested नहीं था. मार्केट से लेके पैलेस तक. And in the court, even in the court, no, not a soul. A soul means a person. Not even a single person has talked or has spoken about Hilsa fish. Only then did the king remember the challenge he had thrown to Gopal. When Gopal says these words, then king remembers that he had thrown challenge to Gopal to bring a huge Hilsa fish to the market if he wanted to prove himself the cleverest. Ha ha. Well, Gopal, congratulations. You have achieved the impossible once again. And then again, king appreciates Gopal's wit, Gopal's wisdom, and he congratulates him on his winning. And he says that once again, he has achieved an impossible target, because everyone thought that it is not possible for anyone to stop people from talking about Hilsa fish. But Gopal, with his wit and wisdom, was able to achieve that target also. He proved that he was clever enough to stop people talking about Hilsa fish. So I hope the chapter is clear to you all now. So as we are through with our chapter, let us discuss the question answers of back exercise. The first question is, why did the king want no more talk about the Hilsa fish? Okay, Sahajvi.
The king did not want to listen anyone talking about Hilsa fish because it was the season of Hilsa fish, and every person in the entire kingdom kept talking only about the Hilsa fish, and so the king got irritated.
Right answer. That as it was season of Hilsa fish, everyone, you can mention the fishmongers, the householders, even the courtiers, everyone was talking about Hilsa fish, and the king heard so many talks about the fish that he got irritated and wanted no one to talk about it. Is this clear? Anji. Next is, what did the king ask Gopal to do to prove that he was clever? Anji, Ansh Sachdeva.
The king gave him challenge to bring a Hilsa fish without anyone to ask him a word for it.
A word about it. But how do you start the answer? Shipra, unmute yourself and tell the answer, bete. Shipra Tripathi.
Ma'am, can I?
Wait, bete. I can't hear Shipra.
Ma'am,
Okay.
may I?
Wait, beta. Let me name the student. Angel Singh. Angel. I'm not getting response from any one of you. Mridul. Mridul, unmute yourself, bete.
The king asked Gopal to prove that he was clever so that Gopal on his channel he would try as much as possible that he could buy a Hilsa fish without without getting any response by the person.
Idea is okay, but sentence formation बेटा थोड़ी सी गड़बड़ है. हाँ जी, मनबीर. मनबीर सिंह.
May I speak?
I'm not getting response from Manbir.
Ma'am, may I?
हाँ जी, सुहानी बोलिए बेटा.
The king asked Gopal to buy a Hilsa fish and bring it to the palace. He warned that he should make sure that no one asked him a word about it.
He warned क्या आगे क्या बोला बेटा?
He warned that he should make sure that no one asked him a word about it.
Right answer. What did the king ask Gopal to do to prove that he was clever? The king threw a challenge to Gopal to bring a huge Hilsa fish from the market to the palace, and he warned him that no one should talk about Hilsa fish if he wanted to prove himself clever. Right? Next, what three things did Gopal do before he went to buy his Hilsa fish? What three things did Gopal do? And Jitanveer Singh de nahi boliye beta.
Gopal half-shaved his face, smashed has on his body himself before going out to buy Hilsa fish.
Two things you have told beta.
And half-shaved body,
Okay.
face, and half-shaved face, smash has on body.
Smear rashes. Beta smash me smear rashes on his face. And third thing was he wore disgraceful clothes. He wore disgraceful clothes. These three things he did before he went to buy Hilsa fish. Right? Next, how did Gopal get inside the palace to see the king after he had bought the fish? How did Gopal get inside the palace after buying the fish? Anurit.
Yes. Gopal started singing and dancing in front of place at a loud noise. The king heard the noise and asked the man to be brought inside.
Beta, ek to pronunciation of word is not heard, it is heard. Right? Isme you can add a few lines that when Gopal bought Hilsa fish, he went to palace to meet the king, but the soldiers at the gate or the guards did not recognize him, so they did not allow Gopal to enter into the palace. Then Gopal started to dance and sing loudly so that he could be heard by the king and be called inside the palace. Is this clear, beta? Is the answer clear? Anurit, is the answer clear, beta? You have to add a few lines.
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Next is explain why no one seemed to be interested in talking about the Hilsa fish which Gopal had bought. Why no one seemed? Akshara.
No one seemed to be interested in talking about Hilsa fish because Gopal was dressed in ridiculous fashion and everyone was interested in him and no one saw Hilsa fish in his hand.
The right answer. This is right answer that when Gopal went to buy Hilsa fish, he dressed in ridiculous clothes. He had comical appearance. So when he was walking in the market, no one seemed to be interested in Hilsa fish. Everyone paid attention to Gopal and his comical appearance. Is this clear? Is the answer clear to everyone? Chaliye. Next. True, false है बेटा. The king lost his temper easily. Is it true or false? Varleen. Unmute yourself, Varleen.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
The
morning.
person answers the king lost his temper easily. True.
True. Next. Tejas.
Ma'am, Gopal was a madman. False.
Yes, this is false. He was not a madman. Angel Sade. Unmute yourself, beta.
Gopal was a clever man. True.
Yes, this is true. Next, Ritika. Ritika, unmute yourself.
Gopal was too poor to afford decent clothes. False.
Yes, this is false. Next, Ansh.
King got angry when he was shown to be wrong. False.
Yes, he was not angry, rather he laughed and appreciated Gopal. Right? I hope all the answers are clear to you now.